Hello, I'm Andy.
I'm Nancy.
Welcome back. Oh, Jesus. Sorry, I didn't know you were coming down that way. You scared me as much as I scared you, I bet.
Where are we putting the washing machine?
Right.
You have that space all cleared out, right?
No, not at all. See all those screws in that right behind the washing machine?
Yep.
This bucket is empty. They can probably all just go in there. But I never found a great container for it. We have a couple of empty bins now. And you could definitely go in a bin. Might be easier than a bucket, but... Hello. Slower on this side and not scare you.
Thank you, I appreciate that.
Oh no, let's go. That was close.
I think there's a few screws on this bus.
A couple are loose.
The ones in there, maybe. Ooh, those are not screws. Instead of just filming, the last one I filmed.
Yeah.
The first one I did a time lapse.
Yeah, because the time lapse, the tree standing, the tree falling down is
Yeah.
a 3-second a piece photos.
What are these?
They're technically nuts. I don't.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, they're hurricane nuts. They go into like a piece of fat, like for legs on a table or something.
Are you excited to have a washing machine?
Yeah, kind of. I kind of like a laundromat too. It's expensive, but you can get 2 weeks worth of laundry done in 2 hours. I mean,
That's true.
that's folded everything. 2 hours, you're done.
That's true. But last year, having to drive 2 hours to get to the laundromat was really a pain in the butt. Because if you needed anything, kitchen towels, anything, you had to wash it by hand, and it was really hard on the hands.
We're 5 miles from a water spigot though, so
yeah, we could
kind of. It would have been nice for towels, socks, and underwear occasionally, but
it would have been nice if we'd had a washing machine.
I'm gonna guess the back is heavier because that's where I think the motor is, but I don't really know.
Okay.
Do we want to each try to take a side and get it out? I don't remember how we got it in. Were we each on the side? Did we get it up into there?
I think we were each front and back because we each had handles.
Right, so we turned it sideways.
We turned it sideways,
Okay.
and then, yeah.
You want to be on the door side or the back side?
I think the door side, because it's the lighter side. We need to take it out before we...
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll just have to set it up around it.
I have no idea how. Did we use the dolly?
You got it?
Yeah, I got it. Kind of. Oh, right down to the ground. Oh.
With this rough ground, the dolly will want to tip sideways and stuff.
Oh, yeah, it's cool.
And you'll see how nice.
Gravel is not.
Once we have this adjusted, you'll see how nice this is. Stand up a little bit so we both have what's same. Ready? Just gotta stand up.
Oh.
Yeah, stand up.
Oh, okay.
You think that's good? That's fine. If you want to go a little bit shorter, we can shorten the
Oh,
strap
I
a
would
little
not
too.
want it to be short. Short. I'm stepping on it.
Like,
I was stepping on the strap.
here. Leave it here. I don't know where I want it. It's probably the second bay, but
well,
that stuff doesn't need to
not
be there.
necessarily. I mean, it depends on how everything ends up fitting down here.
Yeah.
Because I think the freezer should probably go there, honestly. Except that we want to have a
It's got to go here.
calyx there. With what?
It's got to go here.
It has to go right there? Why?
Because that's really what. Once you're down here with this in here, you'll realize it's the only spot it's going to fit.
Can you believe it's February 7th? February 7th. Ooh. Okay. Oh, I can't. I don't know how we did this. I think we tipped it on its side and got it there and then got it up on it. Yeah, I think that was what we did. Hang on. Oh, no, that's not in there.
On there.
Yeah. Oh. Yeah, that's good. I got a quick question.
Okay.
Didn't we talk about having this pointed so that the door was pointed this way?
Yeah, we talked about that too.
We're not going with that?
I don't know. I forgot that we talked about it. No, let's rotate it clockwise. Counterclockwise.
This thing is stupidly heavy.
Yeah, Michael said like 280 pounds.
Oh my god, that's not even up. I can't move it.
I can tell. Watching out.
I'm watching.
Yeah, that's probably about as far out as it can go.
What?
That's probably about as far this way as it can go. It's always after dark when I'm down here thinking what's over in my head.
Do you have a tape measure?
I can just eyeball it. Yeah, I need a tape measure.
I think I want to put the trunk liner down here too.
Yeah, it will not fit underneath there. It's about an inch too tall.
Oh, okay.
3/4 of an inch too tall. Because I was really hoping it fit underneath there, because this can't go to there, so it kind of felt like less wasted space. So we've decided having it facing towards the inside because that's the little utility room we're going to be able to access from above. This is the best way to do the laundry without having to come outside. Well, we get this washer slash dryer for free from my nephew, and supposedly it sets a code in the dryer cycle. I don't know what part it needs or what it needs, but I'm just going to hook a garden hose up to it to the cold side, and I'm just going to run her load on cold with a dryer to see what code it sets to know. Yeah, I thought he said it was like $100 to fix, which if that's the case, then I'm for sure fixing this thing and keeping it. But if it ends up being too expensive, I'm not going to go through the work of installing it. So.
Okay, hang on. Oh, I forgot the clothes. We're gonna give the washing machine a test run and see what kind of code it sets. Oh, I gotta turn it on. That's right. I'm remembering from Eric's house. Normal, casual. Clean washer. Excella wash. Wash. Tap cold. Yeah, no dry. Oh, hey Cass, how are you? Are you trying to sneak up on me? Maybe that's it. Okay. Here we go. It is just a fit, like just a fit. This thing just fits. And we can get the detergent drawer open and we have space to actually pour detergent in. Now let's watch and see what it does. Ooh, what was that? It's okay. I don't know what that means. I don't know what that means.